Hey guys, this is Dredzymakesmadalas. I created this awesome piece I call Full of Life. If you want to know how I made it, please stick around. So I got this inspiration for the colors from this coin purse that I got from Guatemala. So what we're going to first do is paint our center circle. This is a 3x3 canvas that I got from Michaels. I decided to paint this in a maroon. For the background, I'm going to paint it with this bright blue. Then I mixed a couple shades of blue. I'll have all the colors listed at the bottom. And here are all the other colors we'll be using for today. They remind me so much of fall. It's so pretty. Now what we're going to do is to paint our background using the blue mixture that we made. Try to not get any of the paint on the center circle we just painted. And just so you know, I went through the background twice just because I found it to be a little bit too light. And now here what we're going to do is again etch our grids so we can find our center points. Going in with our DIY Mandala tool, going with our first center dot here with the gold. Now using our grid, we're going to be painting our smaller gold dots all around our center point. I do want to apologize if my voice is fading in and out. I am coming out of a cold, so I do apologize. That's why it's important to get your flu shots and take care of yourself. So now what we're doing is using our smallest dotting tool and filling in those spaces. Now grabbing our yellow and using our tool, we're going to be filling in the spaces in between our grids. And when you're using these tools, you really don't have to press down onto the canvas. Super easy. You just let the tool guide you and the paint guide as well. I do want to apologize for not recording this part right here, but you can do it. Now going in with our orange color, we're going to be filling in our space using a bigger tool and adding dots on top of the smallest dots we created in our previous row. So now what we're going to do is to fill in our other spaces using a larger tool. So now going in with our mauve color, we're going to be doing the same steps as previously. So filling in the bigger dots on top of the smaller dots, and vice versa, all the way around. So you might be thinking, why are you using that color? It looks so similar to the background. Yeah, I know, but that's the beauty of making mandalas. They're all unique, and it just kind of goes with the flow. That's the fun of it. Now going in with the wine color, we're going to be doing the same thing as we've been doing in this mandala. Now here going in with our deepest red color, we're going to be filling in the remaining spots of our mandala, and it's completely okay if your dots are near the end of the circle, because that's the effect we want to do. So now to fill in our space, I went in with a smaller tool and filled it in with the deeper red color and added a couple dots at the top with the gold. And now here, what I'm going to show you are the different colors we'll be using to complete our blue background. What I'm doing is going in with the winter green and filling in the space where I created the gold dots. So what I want to do before I hit record was walking the dots on top of the winter green. And now here, what we're doing is using a lighter color, kind of a moss green, on top of the walking the dots that we did before. Now what you're seeing me do is completing the third set of walking dots on our petal. And you'll see that I alternate between tools to create a more fuller look. Now that we have our completed dots, we're going to go ahead and fill those spaces in with our navy. Also see me that I added a set of orange and light blue dots that go on the bottom of our navy dots just to fill in our piece. So what I'm showing you here is how I am walking the dots, starting off from the inside and gradually going out. And this is what the end result with that looks like here. Here to give our mandala some more dimension, I added more top dots to each dot that we created, and I topped them off with a gold color. So now what you'll notice is that I added a set of gold dots at the top of our blue dots that we had up here to create a more floral look and to pop out the blue colors, because I think it was looking a little bit more dull. And now here you'll see me that I'm adding some more top dots even to the smallest shades that we've made. What I'm doing here is looking at the color of the crystals that I want to add at the end. I think I'm going to go with this teal. I think it really ties in all the blues and all the reds and maroons that we used on this piece. It's really, really pretty. So now what I want to know is a little bit more about you guys. So when you're creating these pieces, what do you like to listen to? Do you listen to classical music? Do you listen to rap, hip-hop, country? I want to know a little bit more about you guys. For me, what I like to do while I'm painting is into the station Chill Hop. It's completely free and it's actually live all time here on YouTube. I encourage you guys to check them out. I think it's a really great station. And they have great animation on their channel as well. So now what you're seeing me do here is fill in our background with different colors of blue dots. We want to keep it all pretty even and neutral for our background. So they're all different sizes, and it's really meant to just give a cool effect, and this is kind of fun because doing our mandalas were so precise, and now filling in our backgrounds, you can go as crazy as you want. Here's the completed mandala. As you can see, I changed out the lighter blue dots for the background just to make the gold really pop out. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Again, remember to always practice the self-care. It's very important for your health. My name is Mildred with Dredzymakesmadalas, and I'll see you next time.